Hi everyone, welcome back to the Edgewater Avenue YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be making the Ember one piece, which is a high neck reversible one piece swimsuit. For materials, you will need fabric, 1-inch elastic, 1/4-inch elastic, a rotary cutter, a seam ripper, and the pattern for the Ember one piece, which is available now at edgewaterab.com. The first step is cutting your pieces. You'll cut a total of 2 in the front piece and 2 in the back piece. Then you'll cut your straps according to the measurements provided in the pattern. Because we're using 1-inch elastic, these straps are going to be thicker than usual. Now that all pieces are cut, we can move on to sewing. Match the front and back pieces with right sides together. Sew along the following areas and attach the 1/4-inch elastic. Then take your straps, fold them in half, and sew along the raw edges. Do not attach elastic yet. If you're unfamiliar with how to sew elastic, I'll link my video series that goes over the basics as well as some helpful tips all about elastic. Once you've sewn the front and back pieces and the straps, get out your 1-inch elastic. Measure the elastic to equal the length of the strap. Then I like to go over the straps with the elastic in it with a straight stitch just to make sure everything is kept in place. The next step is attaching the straps. Insert each strap into the strap opening on the front piece. Pin and then sew them down to secure. Now we can attach the front piece to the back piece. With the front piece right side out, insert it inside of the back piece while the back piece is still inside out. Align each of the sides as well as the gusset. Then sew across all 4 layers to secure the sides in the gusset. The front and back piece are attached, so now it's time to take everything to the right side, and we're also going to make some holes for the straps. Using a seam ripper, rip a small 1-inch hole somewhere along an existing seam. You're also going to seam rip 2 more 1-inch holes where you'd like your straps to go. Through any one of these holes, take everything to the right side. The final step is attaching the straps into the back. Trim them to your desired length and then insert them into the holes we made in the previous step. Using the 3rd hole we made, sew the straps down from the inside. Then finish off the final hole with a top stitch or an invisible stitch. And that completes the Ember one piece. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and I'll see you next time.